Hello, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is about life cycle assessment. I will tell you briefly about what is the life cycle assessment and what are the uses and what are the stages in the life cycle assessment. First, we overview of a life cycle assessment insights. First, let me know about the definition of a life cycle assessment. Life cycle assessment is a systematic analysis of environmental impacts associated with all stages of a product's life form from extraction to disposal. Stages in life cycle assessment. The key stages in LCA include raw material extraction, manufacturing, distribution, use, and disposal, each contributing to overall impact. Let's talk about now importance of LCA. LCA helps identify environmental hotspots and informs decision making for suitable product development and resource management. Here are some of the applications of LCA. Life cycle assessment is used in various sectors including manufacturing, constructions and food to improve sustainable practices. At final, we will talk about the challenges in LCA. LCA faces challenges such as data availability, methodological differences, and interpretation of results, and which can affect according to life cycle assessment. Now, as per the image provided in the PPT, the key insights from the life cycle assessment illustration according to the images are environmental impact assessment. This detail highlights of the environmental impact of various phases in the life cycle assessment, emphasizing the importance of understanding how the products affect the ecosystem. And the second one is the resource consumption analysis. Analyzing resource consumption helps identify critical areas where efficiency can be improved, thus reducing overall ecological footprints. And the third one is waste management strategies. Effective waste management strategies are essential in minimizing the negative impacts associated with product disposal and end of life scenarios. The last one is carbon footprint measurement. The carbon footprint measurements allow for quantifying the total greenhouse gases emitted during the life cycle, aiding in climate impact assessment. Now, the key insights from image 3. Here, image is provided from the one understanding strategical implications from life cycle assessment data. Let's talk about three main points. Impact. First one is the impact on product development. Insights from the image reveal how life cycle assessment affects the design and development of new products, ensuring sustainability. The second one is resource utilization efficiency. The analysis highlights the need for optimizing resource usage throughout the life cycle, leading to low cost savings and reduced waste. And the third one is consumer behavior insights. The findings suggest a shift in consumer preferences towards more sustainable options, which can guide marketing strategies. Now let's go to another side. From the image 4, you can look at the image, and the main important points from the image are the number one is identified sustainable practices. The image illustrates effective sustainable practices that enhance the environmental impact of products throughout their life cycle. The second one is resource consumption in insights. Analysis of the image reveals critical data on real resource consumption, highlighting areas for efficiency improvements. The third one is waste management strategies. The image emphasizes successfully waste management strategies that can significantly reduce the overall carbon footprint. The fourth one is energy efficiency measures. The key observations include various energy efficiency measures that are essential for minimizing energy usage during production. Now let's we talk about the key trends in life cycle assessment. Understanding the evolving landscape of life cycle assessment in various markets. The number one is increased regular scrutiny. Governments are implementing stricter regulations requiring companies to conduct life cycle assessment to evaluate environmental impacts. Shift towards sustainability. Business are increasing adopting sustainable practices, making LCA for measuring and improving the environmental performance. Third one is emergence of new technologies. Innovative technologies are being developed to enhance LCA and methodological, providing more accurate data for decision making. The fourth one is consumer data demand for transparency. Consumers are seeking transparency in product sourcing and environmental impact, driving companies to utilize LCA. The fifth one is integration with circular economy. Life cycle assessment is being integrated into circular economy models, promoting resource efficiency and waste reduction. The sixth one is collaboration across industries. Cross industries collaborations are forming to share best practice in LCA, fostering innovation and improvement in environmental changes. These are the key trends in life cycle assessment. We have discussed about 6 points. These are very important in life cycle assessment. Now we will talk about the strategy directions for life cycle assessment. Here are some points. Let's discuss one by one of the points. Integrate sustainability matrices. Means incorporating comprehensive sustainability metrics is crucial for evaluating environmental impacts efficiently. The second one is enhanced data collection methods. That means improving data collection methodologies ensures accurate and relevant information is gathered for assignments. The data can be collected from any other published literatures so that there is no misinformation in the guided information. The third one is stakeholder engagement strategies. That means developing effective strategies for engaging stakeholders enhances collaboration and improves assessment outcomes. The fourth one is adopt life cycle thinking. Implementing the life cycle thinking is in decision making processes fosters a holistic view of product impairs. The fifth one is continuous improvement practices. Establishing continuous improvement practices allows for iterative enhancements in life cycle assessment process. Let's go to another slide. These are the five things that strategy direction that will build upon life cycle assessment. Now we talk about the main thing that opportunities in life cycle assessment. The first one is identify the sustainable practices. Explore more methods to reduce environmental impacts through efficient resource use and waste management. The second one is enhance energy efficiency. Focus on optimizing processes to lower energy consumption during production and usage phases. Third one is utilize renewable resources. Incorporate renewable materials into product design to minimize reliance on fossil fuels. Fourth one is improve supply chain sustainability. Assesses and enhances the sustainability of supply chains to reduce the overall ecological footprints. Fifth one is leverage technology advancements. Adopt new technologies to promote sustainable and enhance life cycle management practices. Sixth one, engage in stakeholder collaboration. Work with various stakeholders to identify opportunities for the sustainable growth and innovation. These are the opportunities that a person can build so that they can build a good career in his life due by life cycle assessment. It provides many jobs in socialistic society. So let's talk about another. Now we will talk about the challenges in life cycle assessment, understanding the complexities and risk in life cycle assessment process. Then there are also 5 points. The first one is data quality and reliability issues. Ensuring accurate and reliable data is crucial, yet often challenging due to gaps in information. So we have to collect data without any gaps and have a ensure to have safety data and accurate data in our planning. The second one is diverse methodological complete analysis. The variety of methodologies can lead to inconsistency in results, complicating comparison. So they should have a direct methodology without any deviations in their project. The third one is uncertainty in environmental impacts. Assessing the uncertainty surrounding potential environmental impacts can highlight decision making. The fourth one is stakeholder engagement complexities. Involving various stakeholders with different interests and perspectives can be challenging. The last one is the regulatory compliance challenges. Adhering to regulatory requirements is essential due to varying standards. The government may sometimes oppose their plan or may will not accept, but we should follow the regularity of life cycle assessment during every each and every step. The next one is, and the final one is images 9 is showing about what are the conclusions of LCA. Let's find out the three important things like key findings from analysis. The analysis reveals critical insights into the environmental impacts across different stages of the product life cycle, emphasizing areas for improvement. The second one is recommendations for improvement. Based on the findings, recommendation include enhancing resource efficiency and minimizing waste to improve sustainability outcomes in future projects. The third one is future research direction. Identify gaps in research can guide in future studies towards optimizing life cycle assessment, methodologicals, and applications in various sectors. These are the conclusions from LCA. The first one is key findings from analysis, where you can find the main important find that you have done analysis, and the second one is recommendation for ask persons who know about the well about LCA so that you can get some guidance and improve your product very well. And the future third one is the future research direction. It will help you to know what are the future comebacks of LCA so that it will may become more useful for the people than the present LCA. Now the last one is key insights from life cycle assessment. First one, the understanding life cycle phases. The life cycle assessment develops the entire journey of a product from raw material extraction to disposal, highlighting each phase impact. Second one, environmental impact evaluation. Quantitative metrics are used in the assessment to measure the environmental impacts such as carbon footprint and resource consumption. Third one is the decision making support. Insights from the life cycle assessment assist stakeholders in making informed decisions regarding product design and sustainability. Fourth one, focus on sustainability. The assessment emphasizes strategies to enhance sustainability in product development, thereby reducing overall ecological impact. The fifth one is the stakeholder engagement. Involving stakeholders in the life cycle assessment process ensures diverse perspective and enhances the credibility of outcome. So we discussed about the key sites from life cycle assessment. That the first one understanding life cycle phases, second one environmental impact evaluation, and third one decision making support. Fourth one focus on sustainability. Fifth one stakeholder. These are the key answers we should follow every person to get to know about the life cycle assessment of overall idea and how it shows impact on environment. Thank you for seeing this video. The video presentation by GSR Archie.